Shubor na Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Seng Khasi College kabadan ha Weiking Jaiaw Shillong kala Kynjoh yu Mawmer ubasan pulai Snem ka jing Seng yaka berha ka bai de bet kanie na kalyang ka college kalayo ban penlong ya ka jing rakhe penan buram yaka ha ka program bala penlong menta kasi ka aru pratrek unailar araja apun rio ha kani ka program lawan ban sakhi lang da kirang ba anong yalam ka Seng Khasi keme bakenthop ya urang ba PD nongrum rangba DL nongbri ki badairu ki vice president rangba Highness Marbanyang General Secretary bat ki dikhot ke jilli perkhat kam Seng Khasi kme nalor kata la sakhilang ru ya ka jing rakhe da ki nong hikai bat kumju ki nong tre jong ko college ringkat bat ki khna puli ya ka program la panya da ka kong fedilia walang hak ba la yo apat ya ka jingkran na ka secretary ka college ka kong Merrill nongsit ka vice principal ka kong lawan chishas im yong khongwir bat la bandrap lang shu sa ka jingkran na ka Dr. Herina Dotrong ka barang shu shong that kum ka principal in charge jong ka college kat bana ka liang president ka governing body ka college urang ba Gideon Khar Mauplang ula shim ya ka benta ban kintiu ya ka lama jong ka college bat ki kintin ai khuble la yo na uba sadon ku parbla ubadai artat u in charge jong ka higher secondary section.
So on this 53rd Foundation Day, I take this opportunity to pose the flag to honor and respect both the founders and also everyone who's involved, both teaching and non-teaching staff who are involved, including the students who are involved in upholding the integrity and dignity of this college.
Hima, okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Foundation Day to each and every one of you present here. Rangba PD Nongrum. It is indeed an honor to be part of this grand celebration of the 53rd Foundation Day of our college. As mentioned earlier, it is a day that we honor the founders of the college. And with their dedication and hard work, we stand where we are today. I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who were directly or indirectly involved in making this college take shape as it is today. Right from our teaching faculty, today we honor your service and dedication towards the college, towards the institute, and especially towards the welfare of the student community.
Ngang na sung try hi kani ka college kabla point ta kabla jam ta yo Mawmer upasan pulai tingi isai kani ka college kala nang pu kala nang piem ba ngakermen hiru bat ngadwai hiru bat ngapan hiru nong bu nong thau kham tam nama kinong hikai kidei kita kiban kilong tagishan khong nang ta kiban nang penpu penpiang shu ikan iko college pan ya ke jini kai ke babiang tam nang ta kum juru ya ki board penyan jong kan ke college ke balong salon sar kata ke sponsoring body ba kum jur ke ban pej ya ke jini lek kam ke baman ke seni jong ke college kata ka management committee
to highlight on certain issues that on this occasion that the college is facing. 53 years ago, the founding fathers of the college has envisaged a mission not only for the college but for the Seng Khasi as an organization. That they need to have an educational setup that happened 53 years ago. And we are here now because of them. Thank you very much to the founding fathers of the college for the establishment of this college, which had served its purpose, which on many occasions students who are admitted to this college are from the lower economic background of society, and most of them are from rural areas. But this college, as it reached 53 years of service, identity, and exhortation, it is not without challenges. I take this opportunity in the presence of the sponsored members of the sponsoring body, who are the esteemed members of the sponsoring body, members of the GPK, the ex-principal, and of course, a member of the managing committee of the college. I'm taking this principle that this college right now is not without challenges. The face of the new education policy is staring at the college right now. So I'm taking this opportunity to highlight on the need of the college before the esteemed member of sponsoring body, the GPK, the management, that right now we should be happy that the college has reached 53 years, but at the same time, we must be cautious.